Hello everyone, welcome to Day Trade Options. I'm just going to do a quick recap. I am in a hurry, so it'll be a quick recap of today's trades. Not going to get too deep into it, just going to show you what I did, where I traded. I was profitable today, not great, but still met my original quota. I was over 1,000 today, so that was great. Big bummer was I had to go to my physical therapist today, and I missed the big move. I missed that humongous gain in the market. So that was unfortunate. But I had to be where I had to be. My first trade of the day, I traded both my small and large count together today, which was a little bit challenging. I tried to, I tried to trade them at the same times, and so it kind of helped me on one by a mistake, and it hurt me on the other. So I'll get right at it. Ow. Not working. Hello, hello. Still no mic? It shows my mic is moving. Hello, hello, hello. Testing. Oh, move it closer. Okay, gotcha. My meter was showing me that it was working. Thank you, Nolan. So I traded both accounts today at the same time, and it's a little challenging. Um, yeah, this thing's I just got this new headset. This mic that came with it is horrible. If I move it if it gets moved a little bit out, you can't hear me. Sorry about that. So I jumped into a trade watching the rejections on PLTR below the 80 level, and I really it was probably I mean I did let everybody know that I was going to front run it because I traded right into my 20 and my 200 EMA, which is against my rules, but I had a thought that once this rejected here, it rejected here, and the market was starting to go down, that this thing was going to continue. I was wrong, but I did get very lucky. I entered with my large account here, and I meant to scale out when I hit the 200 on my large account, but I took I got out of it all. I exited the entire account by accident, and so I ended up with a $700 profit. Um, that was lucky. Honestly, I would have scaled out, probably would have exited out up here and taken a loss. So I got lucky with the exit on my large account. So on my small account, both of them I took as quick as I could at the same time right here on the break of this red. Got through my 20, I'm sorry, got through my long LRC, which is the pink dash line, and my cyan, which is my anchored LRC. Got through both of those and closed. So I thought, man, this thing's really going to go down. Well, it actually rejected, went up. I ended up holding, I should have exited right here, but I didn't. I just was like, you know what? I'm at a loss. I'm just going to see if I get this move. I noticed it, it went up, rejected this long LRC. I was like, okay, I'm going to give this a chance to go back through. It didn't. I ended up exiting right here on my small account, and it was a minus 234. So I lost 234 on that trade on the small account. Not great because the small account was only $2,700 today. I did end up with a $50 profit overall on the day on my small account, but that was because I got into two quick SPX scalps towards the end of the day when I got back from my. I was talking to the guys in Discord about the events and what had happened and what they were able to get and what they missed. So kind of a bummer. A couple of the guys they got in, they got some good moves. They got out, they took profit, which I mean, don't get me wrong, they got $4,000 profit. But one of the members, he's like, man, if I had just held for maybe 30 seconds longer, it would have been a 20 to $25,000 profit. So that's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. Um, and the next trade I got into was, let me show you this one first, was BABA. Baba wasn't a Baba was actually a really good trade for me. I held this for a good amount of time. I should have exited at the red, but I decided to wait, see if it was going to retest the 97 and keep going. I didn't get in here. I missed that. I was busy with other stuff or whatever. But I did see this come down and retest. I told the guys, hey, I'm going to hop in Baba if I get two reds. Sure enough, I got red. I entered right here with the small account. I also entered with the long account. Small account, I held. I scaled one on, or I scaled both accounts as quick as I could at this level when this second green went up. So I was like, okay, let me. I didn't get back in. I should have added right here, as you guys know if you follow me. Typically, I will, I will exit on the second green when I'm extended away from the 20 EMA, and I will, I'll re-enter if I get a second red. And I should have done that because I could have profited more. I didn't. I think I was a little complacent. So anyhow, I didn't re-add, but I did exit right here. I was able to make a $136 profit on the small account. On the large account, I made less. I actually only made $120 on the small account. So, I mean on the large account. The big account, I mean the small account outdid my big account. So that was kind of funny. Um, and then I traded SPX on the large account. I did do a couple. I didn't do a markup for the scalp trades, the little scalp trades for the small account. One was for $100, one was for 50. So I ended up with like a $50 total on the day on the small account. But the reason I got into this SPX trade, it did work out for me, but it eventually ended up failing. I probably would have, I would have got stopped out. Here I go yawning again, but I ended up scaling and I traded it the proper way that I usually trade. What I was looking at was SPY went up, came back down, tested the 20, tested the LRC level, shot straight up, huge move up, right? Didn't get in any of that, waited, it got above the 500. So I was looking for a move up and a retest of the 500 for continuation. But it failed the 500 and I was like, wow, that's interesting. So it came down, hit right on. What is this? Right here? That's my long LRC. Hit right on the money, right on the button, and the 20 EMA. So that kind of gave me confidence that it was going to continue up away from this long LRC. And so I told the group, hey, I'm gonna do a breakout move above the 500 if I get this move, if it goes above. And it's sure enough, it went above. So I got into SPX calls. It pulled back. I held. I didn't get. I did get one close, but I didn't get two closes under my 500. I was still above my 20. I got this big move here, so I scaled one. I only got two SPX calls here. I scaled one. My target was the 50% retracement level, which we talked about in the group today. That hey guys, really we didn't have any. We weren't going to get in any calls unless we got either above the 50% or the 61.8, because that's really the level that's nothing but a retracement and it could just pivot and go straight back down. So that's exactly what it did here. It did pivot and was going back down. Then the market just went sideways. But and then I exited here. So I made $360 profit. Altogether, the day was $1,239 total. Not a horrible day, but what was really bad was just not being able to be here, because that would have been an easy, I think, trade for me. Trading the actual news that came out. It kind of would have been a no-brainer. Let me go to SPY. I mean, you just when you see this happening, you just hop in, and I mean, it's not smart to chase a runner, but I would probably, once I get above a major level, this 505.50, tested, went back down, blew through it, came back down. That would be my entry. I probably would have got in this one, no question. But in any event, I missed it. What a huge move on the market today. So looking forward to tomorrow. Now I did. This isn't something I normally do, but I did YOLO a an SPX. I did a swing call overnight for SPX to the upside, and it may or may not work out. I'm risking around $6,000, but it'd have to come down a lot to lose all 6,000. But I need it to be above 540. So I bought it. I bought it right here, I believe it was. Or where was it? Maybe it was 537. No, I think it was right in here. I bought the calls for the when it got above 540 and then held above. So we have now recently went below. We're back. Well, we're not. I'm still above 540. What I want to see is this long LRC level hold us up. So I'm hoping that this holds me up and I get a rejection and it continues up. I believe the market's going to continue to move up based off of the economic news and things that's going on. So it could be a loss for me, but I'm going to give it a shot, see if I get a move up after hours. I may not. It's okay if I don't. And if I take a loss, not the end of the world. I've done pretty well in the last couple of weeks, so I can risk a little bit, and hopefully I can get another like half of one of these moves. That would be amazing. So anyway, guys, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Also, if you guys are interested in trading live with a group, we trade live every day. And come on by if you'd like to. My Discord, the link to my Discord is down below. And also, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. And just remember, I will never send you if you get any information from me to help you trade, to anything that that request money for trading or for help, I will never do that. I don't do that. If you need help and would like some assistance, just let me know. I'll help you for free. Come by, join my Discord. I do have I have a membership portion of my Discord, and I have a non-membership. You're able to come in for free if you want, ask questions. I'll help you. No problem. Just shoot me either a DM or just ask in the non-member chat channel, and I'll help you out. So anyhow, hope to see you guys there. Hope you guys had a good day. I hope you guys got to take advantage of this massive move and put away some cash. So that would be awesome if you did. And once again, thanks for stopping by, and I will see you guys on the next video. Good night.